Hi, I'm Khushi Kapoor. Originally from Chandigarh, I'm pursuing my first year degree at Flame University in Pune. The reason I chose the SPM at IIM Udaipur was because I wanted to gain an insight into what an MBA program basically entails. And obviously, the opportunity to study at an institution as esteemed as IIM was the cherry on the top.
The reason why I've joined the summer program in management at IIM Udaipur is to get networking opportunities.
The way this program was advertised was a pre-MBA program which can help students determine whether they want to pursue an MBA or not. And I guess coming to this program and attending this program at IIM Udaipur has made my decision of doing a future MBA really concrete.
I'm so glad that this is such a brilliant idea of opening a pre-MBA, because directly going for an MBA is a big commitment, but a pre-MBA idea was amazing.
So this program was a very crucial stepping stone whether to decide I want to do MBA or not.
Coming from a design background, I was unsure about management studies, but this course covered essential aspects and allowed me to interact with fellow MBA students, further guiding my decisions.
SPM has been a very life-changing experience for me, and I'll tell you why. Because I don't belong to a technical background or a commerce background, but thanks to SPM, I feel more confident about taking up MBA and pursuing MBA from an institute like IIM.
The course is designed beautifully. The program has topics ranging from strategy, innovation, digital technologies, marketing, finance.
What I discovered here is the teachers, what they're teaching in the class are way different than what is taught in other colleges or other schools. So this is what exactly ignited my fire to join this college.
Faculty has been very amazing. The learning experience is very great, and I love the case-based studies.
About the IIM Udaipur, and another major part was learning from the industry experts who are coming for various guest lectures.
After coming it here, I realized that the faculty helps you bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge with practical application, and not to miss the cultural blend they have added with the Udaipur. Like, you can't miss it. And the unique blend of application, dynamic learning environment, city lake, it's amazing. You get to learn so much, and the constructive debates you have with your peers, it's so enlightening.
The case study learning method, it's been around 7 days since I've been attending the classes. So the case study method is like really exceptional. We have been provided with various case studies of multinational companies from all across the world.
The faculty here is like amazing. I mean, the experience they carry over the years, they've been prolific in their domains, and you get hands-on experience to learn from them, and it is an experience of a lifetime.
And the way the teaching pedagogy is, the faculty makes it so very engaging. They use real-life examples, and the case study method of teaching that is deployed in class also makes learning so much more fun. The faculty is always open to insights from the students and is ready to help even beyond the classroom, and I feel that's truly a unique thing and makes me want to learn so much more.
And their case study based approach is just really engraves all the concepts in our heads. I think that's excellent.
This program has not only given me the confidence, but also has shown me the right mindset to take my career forward.
So far, this course has been better than how I expected it to be. By far, this is one of the best career decisions that I've ever taken.
This journey so far has been amazing. It's truly transformative. Yes, it is extremely academically rigorous, but then at the end of the day, when you sit back and reflect on the insights that each and every faculty member has provided you with, you realize how rewarding it actually is.
The 2-week summer course at IIM Udaipur has been amazing. The senior faculty has provided me a clear and insightful guidance, which has given me a clarity on my future path.
The campus is beautiful. You get the feel of the fort architecture, and at the same time you have all the fun that a college experience does have.
The atmosphere here at the campus is very friendly. Everyone is very helpful, and it's a very nice way for you to explore what you want to do in the future.
The course is designed beautifully, and I truly feel that it makes you so very future ready, and that's why it's an investment that each and every student should make in their lifetime.